Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen my previous videos, if not, my name is Shauna. I am a New York City based fashion model and makeup lover, especially colorful makeup. But today's look is going to be somewhat toned down for me because I'm doing a photo shoot afterward. And I think I've said it before, but when I am doing a photo shoot, usually the makeup, even if it's dramatic, I do something somewhat more toned down unless it's a beauty photo shoot, because it's more about the overall vibe, and today I'm going for a high fashion witch vibe. And I was going to use a regular brow pencil to fill in my brows today because the natural color is going back in, but then I decided no, because part of the inspiration for this shoot is definitely the Countess from American Horror Story, and I loved when Gaga had like the fresh platinum hair, and obviously my roots are coming up again, but we're not going there. But yeah, I loved when she had the fresh platinum hair and the super bleached brows. So anyway, I am going to be pulling from 3 different palettes today because, again, the focus is the look, so I want to make sure I achieve what I want. So I'm actually wearing the garment that I'm going to be wearing. It's a Gareth Pugh gown, and I'm actually going to be filming a hair tutorial after this to show how I use the Amika High Tide Waver. So that should be going up either the same day that I post this or very shortly after. So yeah, the look is going to be a smoked out eye with the focus on kind of a dark teal, black, and silver. So I'm probably going to be pulling in this, possibly this shimmer from the Norvina, which one? Yeah, the Volume 2 Norvina palette. I also have this Kaleidos palette, and I will most likely be using this color. And even though this is a gold, it's a very white gold, so I think it's going to read silver. And then I think just to start off, to give a base, I'm going to go in with the Glam Room #1 Fame palette from House Labs and just pull in like a light neutral from this in the crease. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm going in with the shade Cake from the House Labs Glam Room #1 palette, and this is just a very light neutral color which will provide a nice base for all the shadow work that I'm doing. And next I'm going in with the shade Cameo, and this is still a fairly light neutral, but one that's actually going to show up as a color on my eye, and this is to create that shadow in the crease. And now I'm going in with the ABH Norvina Collection Volume 2 palette and the shade E3, which is a nice matte green color. And I am just placing this in the crease as well. Next I'm going in with the Kaleidos Futurism 5 Electro Turquoise palette, and I am taking the shade Digiteal, which is a dark matte teal color, and I am placing that on the outer corners of the lid. And now I'm taking the shade Shockwave, and this is a nice metallic, almost silver but light gold color, and I'm placing this on the inner corner of the lid for some sparkle. And next I am taking the shade Top Hat from the Glam Room palette again and placing that in the outer V of the eye to kind of pull that shape out a little and give it a slight winged effect. Taking the shade Cameo again, and I am smoking the under eye section out of it. once more going in with the shade Digiteal under the eye as well to bring that teal color below as well. And of course we want to connect the upper and lower section, so I am also taking the matte black shade Top Hat and smoking that out in the outer corner below. Now I am taking a combination of the shades Spotlight and Applause and using that as an inner corner highlight, and now I am curling my lashes and applying Milk Makeup's Kush Mascara. And now I'm going in with Fenty Beauty's Sunstalker in the shade Shady Biz and bronzing pretty much all over. And now I'm going in with the Double Down Cosmetics The Status highlight. It is a rose gold highlight, and I am placing this on the cheeks, the nose, and the Cupid's bow. Mostly completed look. I, of course, am going to have to wear a mask to get to the photo shoot location. And please wear a mask. Like, I am so tired of seeing people without masks. And we are still in the middle of a pandemic, so yeah, if you can protect yourself and others, wear a mask. Alright. So, the lip I'm going to be doing is the Slayer, the Slayer Rip line in my house up here. And then on top of that, I'm going to be using Sweet Black Lip Gloss. And it's just a vampy, I know for some people this may be dramatic, but for me it's honestly pretty simple. And I'm happy with how it turned out. It was definitely getting the vibe that I was hoping for. And yeah, I'm also going to be, as the